Good Thursday evening. Southeast Texas look like high temperatures the next 3 days will be around 98, 99, 100 degrees. We've cooled it down a bit Sunday, 99 or 100. Not quite a broken record. We may tie it coming up on Saturday. After that, the high responsible for these above normal temperatures moves west. And look at the highs expected as we head towards next week. That's pretty close, or at least closer to normal. And some of these days, if we get more rain than what is forecast or expected, we may not get out of the 80s. As far as burn bans, Tyler, Polk, and Liberty counties under a burn ban. No burn ban over Orange County. Otherwise, rain chances are going to be non-zero. That means there's something every day right on through the weekend. Just not a big chance, courtesy of that high. The high is not strong enough and it's not directly over our area to preclude us from seeing any rainfall. That high then moves out of here, and look at the big pattern change. Again, I'm going very conservative coming up on Monday and Tuesday. Could be more than what we have, but I'm confident that we will see at least a 40 to 50% coverage, and that goes with, say, Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So some improvements, big improvements as far as a rainfall coming up next week. In the tropics, we are looking way out there. Here is the west coast of Africa. We normally don't look at this area until August, but here we are. It's a slight chance of this development. Through the next 5 days, it should still be out of the Caribbean in the far eastern Atlantic. After that, we've got another 5 days for this to move across the Caribbean. And around the 4th of July weekend, maybe Sunday the 3rd of July, we'll be watching in the western Caribbean or northwestern Caribbean. All depends on how strong the Bermuda high is, whether or not this continues going west or if it's able to turn to the northwest if that high is weak. Otherwise, just too early to ascertain where this is going to end up, obviously. So this evening, a 10, possibly 20% coverage of evening showers and thunderstorms expected. Very warm night. And then tomorrow, we ought to be right back up into the upper 90s, maybe a few spots around 100. And again, not going to go with zero chances of rain. We'll go with an isolated late day storm as high temperatures reach the upper 90s. And it's all because of this sluggish upper level high pressure cooker aloft. It'll sit over the Lone Star State, North Texas, Arkansas, right on through the weekend. Then Monday, it takes a trip out west to Vegas, and we're looking at a pattern change, a significant pattern change. This is not rain. This is moisture in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Remember, you need moisture, not just at the surface, but high up in the atmosphere so that showers and thunderstorms can develop. Otherwise, if you have dry air in this level, which is at 10,000 feet, then you're not going to get very, very good coverage of shower and thunderstorm activity. In addition to that, we'll have a front that'll be stalling somewhere over our region as we head towards Monday. So it looks promising. Best setup that we've seen in several weeks. On the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, looking at slightly choppy seas around 2 feet. We'll see southwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, water temperature 89. Our forecast tonight, at most a 20% coverage, more likely a 10% coverage this evening. Lows in the mid-70s, lakes, and into the mid-70s to around 80 in the triangle as winds go light westerly. Then tomorrow, we'll go with a 10% coverage of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Heat indices will likely get to 105, anywhere from 105 to maybe 108 coming up tomorrow afternoon. Actual highs certainly in the upper 90s, and again, a few spots could hit 100 degrees coming up for tomorrow. So there you are on Friday. Saturday, record-tying highs possible. Sunday, we'll go with a 20% coverage. It's either going to be 99 or 100 coming up Sunday in Beaumont. Then on Monday, that front moves on in, and look at the coverage of rainfall across southeast Texas. If this model is correct, it looks promising from the data that we've looked at. And same story on Tuesday. Could be more than what we have. But as you can see, we don't have high pressure over us. And this is enabling our area to have a chance of shower and thunderstorm activity. We'll go with a 40% coverage Wednesday and Thursday. Late next week and really towards the Labor Day, or I should say 4th of July weekend, we go to near normal rain chances and also temperatures, high temperatures. So the pattern has changed. The high has moved out, and we ought to start seeing cooler afternoon highs and better chances of rainfall. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.